So my name's David Spohr, I'm the General Manager at Cardiff Distillery, based down on the West Point Industrial Estate. Been here since June of this year, but established the distillery in 2019, and we are Cardiff's only distillery. Within the distillery itself, we run gin schools, and we also run gin tasting events, so they can come along, they can make their own gin. We joined up with Cywain at the very start, probably about 2 years ago when we started out. We were a Meicro client to start with, and we've accessed various funds and training systems. So yeah, Cywain were really helpful with the rebranding and the structure of it, and got us from where we were to where we are now with their funding. So yeah, Cywain was a massive help. Initially it started out as one-to-one, and there was design involvement as to where we wanted to position the brand, and then there was grant funding to bring a design on, and we're still with that company, so we work with Kutchy Box still. So it's been a massive help to get us from where we were to where we are now, and the brand from what we started with to what we've now got is not really recognisable. We're now part of the fine food cluster, the drinks cluster, the environmental sustainability cluster. But yeah, it's been a 2-year journey from a very small client to more of a collaboration now. I mean, within Wales, there's a strong Welsh feel for a lot of products. I think there's a market there that people want to know where things are coming from. Certainly I found, so, to be able to say to people it's made in Wales or it's made in a certain part of Wales has an appeal to a lot of people. Cywain's been able to help us contact other market streams, other suppliers. The network side is great as well, just to be able to sort of bounce ideas off people within the cluster. The journey from start 2 years ago to where we are now has been really positive. The support's been great. We did the Taste Wales and met the producers. We had some great contacts from that. We met Blessed Fwyd and made some good contacts there as well. That, again, probably wouldn't have come our way if we hadn't been part of the cluster and the Scale Up Challenge. So it was really helpful to have that. I mean, with the fine food cluster now, we got involved with the Christmas promotion. We've signed up to be involved with the St David's Day promotion, and it's now about moving to the next step of working with people and being able to offer our product out and get more known and grow the base. And I think the next couple of months will help us to establish ourselves a bit more. But a lot of the problems we've had has been with product, so it's been able to source bottles. Between Brexit and COVID, there's been quite a lot of delays put in place, so we've had to think a bit more on our feet and look at alternatives, and the cluster's been able to help then, in the sense that you can come out and go, does anyone know where we can get XYZ from, and being able to do the cluster meetings has put us in touch with people, so we've been able to pick up business links, and yeah, we've seen quite an increase lately in the inquiries that are coming through because we're part of that cluster group. I mean, future plans will be to continue to grow. We're looking now at bringing in a bottling line, so that's the next stage, is to increase capacity, so we can then tender for bigger contracts. At the moment, because our bottling line isn't fully automated, there's a time frame of how quickly we can do it. That'll increase so we can go out for bigger and better contracts. So in the next 6 to 12 months, yeah, we'll continue to grow as we have been and become something much bigger. We can't recommend Cywain enough going forward for where they've got us from the last 2 years. I can't recommend them enough to anybody that would want to get involved.